And we are cutting across to breaking news coming in. Pictures from Surat, where hundreds of migrant workers assembled violating the lockdown norms. These are migrant laborers from UP and Bihar. They have demanded that they must be sent back to their home state. Several of them tried pelting stones on the police officers as well. Tear gas shell was also fired to control the crowd. Very chaotic situation that broke out, and the pictures that also suggest the same. These are pictures coming in from Surat, and as you can see, hundreds of migrant workers who all came together, clearly violating the lockdown norms. And these are migrant laborers from UP and Bihar. They have demanded that they must be sent back to their homes. Many of them who went on to pelt stones at the police, and after the situation really got out of control, the police that had to fire tear gas shells to be able to control the crowd. We are yet to get details of when exactly this happened and whether the situation is slightly under control now. But clearly these are the scenes emerging from Surat, and hundreds of migrant laborers who got together and demanded that they must be sent back to their home states. All of them primarily who hail from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Priyanka, my colleague, now joining us on the phone line. Priyanka, we stay with these pictures. What really had happened? Because now there is a system in place where these migrant laborers will be sent back home. They just have to give in their details. Then why is it that such a chaotic situation occurred?
Well, this is a unique case actually. What we see here in the rural pockets of Kandodra in Surat, where we had seen hundreds of these workers who had come out on the streets. Particularly, these are laborers who had been sent in a bus, but they were called back because the collector then said that there was no permission from the UP government for them to be accepted in the state, and that's why if they had actually proceeded on the journey, they would have been stuck at the UP border. And that's why it is better for the laborers to be staying back in Surat, where they would be given all the facilities and they would be given all the protection that they require as well. So, of course, irritated because of this, the workers had come out on the streets during the time when the police had come out for patrolling and doing a recce of the entire area. They started pelting stones at the police officers. They also started demanding that they be sent back home, come what may. And we also see in these pictures, we see that absolutely no social distancing being followed by any of the workers, and none of the workers are actually wearing a mask as well. So this, of course, is something that we have seen coming from Surat from time to time, since that being a major hub of several workers who come there from across India to work in particular industries. And all these laborers from time to time again, we have seen that they have come out on the streets agitating and demanding that they be sent back home even after a system is in place, like you said.
But Priyanka, where exactly did the lapse occur? Because if these buses had left from Surat for UP, clearly there should have been communication between the two states that such a development is taking place, and so many migrant laborers, in the numbers that they were, have left for the state. Then why is it that the buses had to be sent back, and where did the lapse happen?
Absolutely. It seems like the lapse happened from the Surat government collector as well, because earlier as well the collector had said that there is no permission, but it seems that there was some kind of permission that was given for these buses to move, but then they had to be called back, creating this kind of panic and chaotic situation that led to this kind of agitation. So, of course, the authorities would also have to answer as to why there is a lack of coordination and why there is so much chaos, when there is a clear system in place, which the authorities also seem to be failing to follow.
Other than that, is the situation now under control? Because clearly, as we see from the pictures, it got really chaotic. Tear gas shell had to be fired. But have the police now been able to pacify these crowds? And what has been said to them in terms of how they will be sent back?
After a few minutes of this agitation, this kind of protest that broke out, and several workers did, of course, when such a large number gathers, there is chaos. And that's why some workers did try to pelt some kind of stones at the police officers. But the police pacified the situation in under 15 to 20 minutes. They had to launch a tear gas shell, you're right, and they had to kind of control the crowd. But after that, the police officers had also carried out a dialogue with the workers, explaining the situation to them, because the workers, of course, did not quite understand as to why they were being brought back. Even after they had applied for the process, the police had to then, make them understand that they would have been stuck at the UP border, and it is better for them to stay back here in Surat, where they have all the facilities, and the authorities will actually look after their needs and wants here to give them full protection from this pandemic.
All right, Priyanka, many thanks for those updates.